media platforms pa na iba katulad ng Facebook, Instagram. May Twitter ba?
Which is better, Jessica? Daddy's
Adobo.
adobo or my adobo? Louder.
Yours.
Good day everyone and welcome to another episode of Josie's Kitchen. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, click lang po tayo ng like and share sa ating YouTube channel, The Love Josie, and ang ating other social media platforms na Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account na Love Josie. And today, ladies and gentlemen, naku naman, espesyal ang ating episode. Lagi namang espesyal, pero ito yung medyo naging kakaiba. Lahat tayo mga Pilipino, paborito natin kumain na adobo, hindi po ba? Nako, kahit na sino yan, mapasaan ka man, at kahit na ano pa ang lahi, pwedeng-pwede nating pagsilbihan ng ating adobo. Ladies and gentlemen, i-sure natin yan, ang napakagandang si Jessica! Jessica! O, di ba mayroon akong bisitang angel ngayon? Hi, Jessica! How are you? Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Jessica and I'm 6 years old and I love adobo.
When did you start eating adobo, Jessica?
When I was 2 years old.
2 years old, kumakain na talaga siya ng adobo. Ikaw ba'y naipanganak talaga na maputi ka lang yata eh. Pilipino. You're from where, Jessica?
Scotland.
Scotland. Now, are you excited to teach us how to cook your adobo?
Yes.
Yes? Can we start now?
Yeah.
But by the way, who taught you?
My nanny,
What's the name of your nanny?
Arlene.
Oh, Tita Arlene. Would you like to say thank you to Tita Arlene?
Thank you.
Thank you. Samahan niyo po kami ni Jessica at ituturo niya sa atin ang kanyang version ng chicken adobo. Ayan, so ito ituturo na po sa atin ni Jessica ang mga ingredients na ginagamit niya tuwing sa siya ay magluluto ng kanyang version ng chicken adobo. So Jessica, what's this?
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Ayan, how about this one?
Pepper.
Pepper. Okay, and
Salt.
salt. How about this one?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. And this one?
Toyo.
Toyo. Ito yung mga kailangan niya. Siyempre, hindi kumpleto yan pagka wala tayo
Sibuyas.
sibuyas,
Bawang.
bawang,
Bay leaves.
bay leaves. And the main ingredient, Jessica, is?
Chicken.
There you go! The best talaga yung isipan natin ngayong araw na ito. I just want to ask you, Jessica, how old were you the first time you tasted adobo?
2.
2 years old! Simulan na po natin ang pagluluto ng version ni Jessica ng kanyang chicken adobo. Halika kayo, samahan niyo kami dito.
First, we will put a little bit of manteca.
First, what you will put?
The bawang.
Louder.
That's it.
And what is this? We will wait until what?
Until it's a little bit dry.
A few moments later.
Toyo. Salt. Pepper. Oyster sauce.
I'll mix it for you, okay? Because it's hot. And then, the last one is
Finally, put vinegar. Cover it. Wait until it's a little bit dry.
a few moments later.
This is my finished product of my version of adobo. This is my version of chicken adobo.
Ito na yung version ni Jessica ng chicken adobo. Tikman na ngayon natin. Pero bago yan, meron akong tatawaging espesyal na tao kay Jessica. Yung kanya pinapasalamatan kanina, bago tayo nang umpisa, ang may saya kung bakit po nagustuhan at naging paborito ni Jessica ito. Simula nang siya ay magbantay kay Jessica nung siya ay baby pa. Tawagin na po natin, Ate Arlene! Yes! Si Ate Arlene! Siya po talaga ang may kasalanan ng lahat. At Ate Arlene, tama po ba? 2 years old, kinukulit ka na ni Jessica na turuan siya magluto ng adobo?
Favorite na niya. Simula nung nag-try ako magluto ng chicken adobo.
So, Ate Arlene, syempre pa, ito yung pinaka-paboritong part ni Mami Josie, ang tikiman part. Tikiman natin.
You're hungry? You like the smell?
Basta ako hungry. Alam niyo po, tayong mga Pilipino, madami tayong mga version ng mga adobo natin. At lahat po yun talagang masasarap. Ngab-ngab!
Ganyan siya kumain basta adobo.
Jessica, your adobo is so good! Congratulations! Congratulations!
Yay!
Maraming salamat. Goal achieve tayo ngayon. Natuto kayo sa little girl named Jessica na hanggang ngayon ay ayaw pang tumigil kumain ng kanyang adobo. Yeah, Jessica, now we're going to say bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
I hope you learned something.
I hope you learned something.
There you go. Again, my name is Jessica. Again.
My name is Jessica and I'm 6 years old and I love adobo.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe sa ating YouTube channel na Love Josie and ang ating iba pang social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account na Love Josie. Bye!